Hello, today in this video I'm going to fix my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons using this kit I got as a gift. I'll link the kit in the description so you can find it there. I started with the green Joy-Con and made a few mistakes, so I'll show you the mistakes I make and also how easy it is to fix these. Let's open the box. Inside there's a toolkit, a parts kit, and no instructions. Okay, that's alright. Let's figure it out. First off, there are 4 Y00 screws in the back of the controller, which brings me to my first mistake. The Y00 or green handle screwdriver in this kit wasn't strong enough to remove the screws without breaking off the screwdriver tip, as you can see here. And I ended up stripping 2 screws because of that. To fix my stripped screws, I used a drill and drilled the head off and removed the rest of the screws with some jeweler's pliers. To prevent this from happening again, I went and picked up a precision bit kit that has a Y00 bit in it. This is a stronger bit. It looks like it's made out of steel. I got it from my local box store. I'll put a link in the description of the one I bought. Having a strong bit made it easy to remove the 4 screws without trouble. Once the screws are removed, I use my fingernails to pry the 2 sides of the case open. Be careful not to pull on the ribbons connecting the 2 sides. Now I used the plastic tool to lift the battery out of its case. There we go. Put that aside and now remove the 3 screws holding the battery case. These use the yellow handle screwdriver or a Phillips PH000 bit from the Precision kit. 1, 2, 3. No need to remove all 5 screws, or it's more work for you. That was a mistake I made, so just 3 will work. Now put the battery holder aside. Careful of the ribbon and remove the L button. Now you can see the left stick. Let's get it replaced. On the connector at the end of the ribbon for the left stick is a small black gate thingy. I'm not sure what you call it. Lift that up and it will free the ribbon. Pull the ribbon out. Gently lift up the ribbon sitting over the other side of the left stick. And gently remove the screw underneath the ribbon. Remove the other screw near the left stick ribbon. Now your left stick pulls right out. You don't need to remove the rubber cover over the stick or it's more work. So it'll come out nice and easy as it is. I made that mistake of pulling that rubber boot off. It's really hard to get that rubber cover back on. So just leave that cover on. Now get the new stick from the kit and put it back the same way you pulled the bad one out. Carefully put the new stick under the ribbon that goes over the screw. Put both screws back in place. Be careful with the ribbon. The screw goes under the ribbon and you don't want to damage or pull that ribbon out. Alright, now for the stick ribbon. It goes under the battery ribbon and I use the tweezers that came with the set. Gently push that ribbon into its port. Then gently push down the black gate, which will lock the ribbon into place. Put the L button back into place and make sure that spring is seated into its housing. Gently put the battery holder back into place. Make sure the ribbon is not twisted. And you can feel the battery holder fit into place. Make sure the ribbon is clear of the side. And put back the 3 screws. They only have to be snug. You don't want to strip them out.
And put the battery back in its place.
Now put your cover back together. Make sure the ribbon on the side is clear before you snap it together. Try all the buttons before you put your 4 screws in and make sure they all are moved and do what the buttons normally do. If all the buttons are moving, and put back the 4 screws and you're all set.
All right, it looks great.
Here's my son testing out the controllers, and they are good to go. I hope this helps you out, and on this channel, I fix stuff, make stuff, and learn new things. Please like, subscribe, and have yourself a blessed day. Thank you.